Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Bharat and you're watching Swag Tech. In this video, I'm gonna tell you everything about the HP 15s, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Pause the video if you want to see the specifications. In this video, I will talk about major aspects like display design, performance, battery and some extras, and at last I will give you the final conclusion. It comes with a 60Hz 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare WLED backlit screen. It has an average PPI of 141 and it has max brightness of 220 nits. And to be honest, with all these specs in theory, the display is kinda average and could have been better. It doesn't have great viewing angles and the person sitting in the front can only see the screen clearly, but at this price point, you can't complain much. Overall, it's a good display and I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. If you want to see all the specs, I will give a link to the official website down below in the description. Go check it out. When it comes to design, it has a very nice and appealing design. In this silver color, it resembles itself to a metal build, but it isn't. It is a lightweight laptop weighing around 1.7 kgs and has decent thickness. It has very small bezels with a screen to body ratio of 82.12%. The build quality of this laptop is not good enough. The screen jerks when you lift the laptop and move around. The keyboard is pretty good. The keys have good feedback and a nice clicky sound, but don't be too harsh on them. Buy an external keyboard if you want to play games on this machine, or else you will pop out some keys. Now let's talk about the touchpad. This is where it shines. It has a matte texture to it. Your fingers don't get stuck even after using it for a long time. It gives perfect response with no lag whatsoever. I will give it 8 out of 10 for design and 6.5 out of 10 for build quality. So here's the catch. Ryzen 3 3200U is a dual-core CPU with 4 threads. It has a base clock of 2.6 GHz. With turbo boost, it goes up to 3.5 GHz. It comes with 4 GB of DDR4 RAM with max frequency of 2400 MHz. This laptop has 2 RAM slots and has max capacity of 16 GB. The gaming performance of this laptop is quite impressive with respect to its rivals and its price. Radeon Vega 3 is a lot better than Intel HD Graphics 620 that comes with i3 10th-gen processors. We will talk about gaming a little bit later. Let's see how it performs on normal tasks like browsing, writing, emails, etc. I have been using this as my primary laptop and it has not disappointed me. It has excellent boot times of around 3 seconds average. Software opening times are also very fast because of the 256 GB SSD. I also have a MSI gaming laptop and trust me on this, if you are doing normal tasks, they both have almost identical performance. Now if we come to gaming performance, I would say that you can play games like PUBG PC Lite and CSGO at low settings and get respectable frame rates. If you want even better results, then you have to upgrade the RAM by 4 GB and that will enhance your gaming quite significantly. If you want the gaming test in detail, I will link a video in my description, go check it out. The laptop's thermals are also nice even after gaming for 2-3 hours. The GPU temperature was around 72 degrees, and I will recommend you to buy a cooling pad for even better performance. I will link it in the description as well. Overall, I would say that at this price point of 30,000, you can't get anything better than this even in the offline market. I would rate the performance 8.5 out of 10. Battery. It has a 3-cell 41 watt lithium ion battery, and it comes with 65 watt AC power adapter out of the box. It takes around 1 hour 55 minutes to fully charge the laptop when idle. The battery life on this laptop is good. I got 6 to 7 hours of screen time with light usage and 4 to 5 hours with medium usage. These numbers are tested on 60% to 70% brightness, full volume and battery mode set towards better battery life. Overall, the battery wouldn't disappoint, and I will rate it 8 out of 10. Now, talking about the extras, the HD webcam as stated is not clearly a high definition camera, as you can see. The speakers aren't very loud as well, but the audio quality is crisp. Here's an audio sample in real world condition, outdoors versus indoors. If we talk about ports, it has 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, 1 HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack, and a SD card slot. Finally, I would like to conclude with the pros and cons. It has pros like it has an excellent processor, it has a good battery life, and it has a value for money price tag, whereas the screen and build quality are the downsides of this laptop. At last, I would say that in the price range of 30,000, this is probably the best laptop you can buy as of now, or even less on sales. Thank you for watching this. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and share this video with your family and friends. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, press the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get instant notification.